Hi, I'm Dava Behrens. I've been helping people buy and sell real estate in the Corvallis Albany Mid-Willamette Valley for over 20 years. And the stats for January 2020 have been published, and I thought I'd share them with you. Market stats for January 2020 have been released, and I thought I'd give you all a market update of the Corvallis real estate market. As of the end of January, there were 626 houses sold in the last rolling 12 months. That is an increase of 6.82%. The average sales price is up over 4% at $420,983. which is a pretty hefty average sales price. The average price per square foot is now at $220. Be careful about using price per square foot when you're measuring the market, because that's an average. It's an average over a lot of different kinds of properties, high end, low end, big and small. You really need to be careful about utilizing that price per square foot as anything other than a benchmark. Average days on market is up 8 days at 81, which is not that big a deal. It's just kind of normal. Currently active is up 47% to 112. So 112 isn't very many houses for a market of our size, and that 42% sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. So anyway, that's the Corvallis market as of January 2020. This is Dava Behrens giving you the market update, signing off.